If you're getting divorced in a situation where there are a lot of assets, particularly if they're complex, one of the biggest mistakes people make is to try to hide them or to be dishonest somehow about the financial picture. I can tell you this is a huge mistake. Those assets are going to be found. Whatever dishonesty you think you are pulling over the eyes of someone else, you're going to be found out and you're going to look really bad in the end. It's really important when you're dealing with a divorce where there's a lot of income or a lot of assets to work with the right financial advisor. You need to make sure that your financial advisor understands your situation and situations like yours and understands what the expenses are going to be after the divorce. You need to get the best possible financial guidance that you can going through the divorce process in order to make sure that your result turns out to be what you wish for. It's really important to understand the tax consequences to the assets that are being divided in a divorce. Some have much greater tax consequences than others. Not all assets are created equally. It's really important for you to understand what the after-tax value is and any tax advantages that might be there by tax deferrals. This is the kind of thing that we really like to look at with our clients in a very detailed way to make sure that the level of understanding is up to the financial picture. So there's a lot going on when you're getting divorced. There's a lot of emotional stuff happening, a lot of psychological stuff, and a lot of financial stuff. And it can be really hard to tease those things out so that you're making really rational, thoughtful, proactive planning decisions on the finances, but you're also dealing with the feelings. And what do you do with all those feelings when you feel anger, resentment, the need for revenge of some kind? Well, that's not a good, smart place to be making financial decisions. So while we all make our decisions in the emotional part of our brain, it's a good idea to bounce those decisions or options for decision making against a financial professional and your lawyer to make sure that the decisions you're making are not only emotionally sustainable, but are financially doable. If you want to avoid mistakes when it comes to dividing your assets in a divorce, please contact us at Miller Law.